Your categories are cooking adventures or disasters, the chef within, or food for thought. Which category would you like, Greg?
With cooking disasters.
Okay. What's the biggest cooking mistake you've ever made? Would you like me to repeat it?
No, I'm good. Thank you very much for that question, Mr. Topics Master. I have to take myself back about 20 years, and the young lady, well, probably more than 20 maybe. I was dating a young lady who really, really loved banana bread. So of course I looked around, I try to find different types of recipes. I looked for ways to try to improve what was in it. So for example, I added some walnuts and I looked at using some chocolate chips. So of course I went out, I got all the ingredients. Now I know banana bread is an easy thing for you all, but not for me. And when I was finished with the recipe and it came out of the oven, stupid. For the life of me, I could not understand. I think it's because I mistook icing sugar for flour. They looked very, very similar to me, and they were in a jar that weren't marked. Now, all was not lost because, interestingly enough, it tasted quite interesting. My girlfriend at the time really was not overly impressed, but when I poured it over vanilla ice cream, she said, "What? This isn't really bad, but it would be okay if you didn't make it again." Mr. Topic Master, fellow Toastmasters, that was one of my disasters in cooking. I've come a long way from it since, but it's certainly a story that I'll never forget. Back to you, Mr. Topics.
Thank you.